Now 30% of Asian girls have PCO.
Can you get pregnant from pre-cum?
Why not always use a condom? You don't have to exercise to lose weight. कि आपने टाटा एनजी पे बुक किया and वो हो गए. That doesn't complete the health checkup.
Can you get pregnant if you have sex during your period?
The initial drops of semen which come, they have very high concentration of sperms.
Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. I'm Arushi.
And I'm Sadhika, and today we're with Dr. Nymphia Valecha. She's an OBGYN. She does IVF treatments, and she's going to tell us why women are not at 100% health. And Maurice 1 and Maurice 2 have conversations to have with Dr. G.
Yes, basically we are going to do a free consult today. So grab your coffee or chai ka cup and let's begin today's go.
So, Doc, tell me, how did you actually decide to enter this space of medical?
For that, I was very clear since the childhood. Both my parents are doctors.
Oh.
And my mother is a gynecologist. So मुझे तो बचपन से ही gynecologist ही बनना था. Because when I used to see that that overwhelm around the whole thing when the babies used to get delivered and how the parents used to get emotional, the overall emotion and sensitivity around being a gynecologist. So I was very, very mesmerized since my childhood. When I was about to enter into my PG, logically and otherwise, probably it was not a very, starry branch. People were going to dermatology, radiology, and non-surgical branches at that time because it involved a lot of hard work. रातों को नींद का नहीं पता. Even जब PG करते थे तो कोई टाइम का हिसाब नहीं है. तो उनको लगता था more glorified branches, 9 to 4 jobs. So जब मेरा rank आया, I got a very good rank in PG. So people were surprised that I am going to pick. I got a state rank of 4. So उसमें मतलब OBGYN, it was surprised. मैं कहा मुझे तो पता ही है मुझे यही बनना है.
तो आपकी जब rank आती है, then you can choose any stream or
No, first ranker gets to choose anything. Second ranker gets to choose उस एक seat के अलावा anything. So according to rank, they will call and they'll ask whatever is left.
One of my friends who's a gynae, she was like gynae और dental एक ही बिरादरी के होते थे एक जमाने में. Really? Yeah, apparently. So she's like the romantic, filmy people go for gynae because they're very emotional. So.
Sometimes in every profession you have people who are very happy about what they're doing, and some people are not very happy about what they're doing. So I'm very happy. So I've never thought कि मेरे को कोई regret है कि I chose this because I find it extremely overwhelming.
I just want to know, how do you not be a judgmental gynae? Because all I have found are those in life. God,
okay, so when I go to the hospital every day, we go with the agenda that how, what can you add into the life of somebody, okay? So whosoever walks, so by being judgmental, you must be thinking about mostly young girls who are probably people are very sexually active earlier. There was so virginity, non-virginity, इस तरह के boxes में हम डालते हैं girls को. पहले होता था कि लोग marriage के बाद ही sex करेंगे. अब ये मतलब it's not a thing anymore. So whenever somebody walks into my clinic and there's a young girl, people come with infections, vaginal infections, people come with unplanned pregnancies. So only thing I feel is ये हो गया है, but what can I guide her कि ये आगे उसको problem नहीं हो. So I respect somebody's choices in life. So somebody is walking in, it's her choice, it's her happiness, but उसको इस सारे process में नुकसान क्या? She's seeking help from me. She's seeking guidance from me. So I guide her. So we'll tell her the use of barrier protection, that it will prevent you from sexually transmitted infections. I clearly tell them, this partner which you're going to have, you're not sure you're going to marry this partner. Even if you're sure, just use protection so that there are multiple partner sexual exposures nahi honge. You'll prevent exposure of papilloma virus which causes cervical cancer और vaginal infections जो repeated होते हैं तो उससे आपको infertility और आगे problems हो सकती हैं. Or an unplanned pregnancy for which ultimately the girl suffers. Supposedly there is an unplanned pregnancy and she's unmarried. If she has to undergo a termination, it's the girl only who's suffering. So I make my agenda that I have to help them and guide them further. So I don't think most of us are judgmental, but as I say, in every profession, there are every kind of people. So we can't paint everybody with the same brush. So
Please, the
Gynaes are
doctors
not
in the
always
back.
judgmental.
Doctors in the back, please take note.
So what
Yeah.
I would do and what I would ask some of my friends to do is that I used to be like, ask them if these guys are going donating blood, because sometimes you can't just upfront ask, ki, do you have any STD? When was the last time you got checked? So I'm like, did you donate blood? When was the last time you donated blood? Before any activity happens, so that उनका blood test report आएगा, then you'll get to know कि हाँ कुछ गलत तो नहीं है इंसान के साथ.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
That's my one way about it. But like, what would you ask if suppose the girl is sexually active कि भाई ये test करवा ले अपने partner से to just be safe?
The first and foremost thing is, why not you make a rule that always use a condom? Okay, so sometimes even had a girl in my clinic one day who was undergoing the 7th termination,
Oh my
7th abortion.
God.
So I told her, what are you doing with your life? Don't do
Oh my
this.
God.
So
Oh my God.
No, bro. Then
so I
she's
left
out.
everything. I counseled her for 1 hour. मैंने कहा, don't do this to yourself.
Oh my God.
So when my son is about to go to college, the one thing I request my husband every time, please teach him I'm not going to tell my son that don't have sex. Okay, that's the last thing I can tell him. But the only thing I can tell him, please use protection for your safety, for your partner's safety, and so that nobody has an unplanned pregnancy. Why should anybody else undergo this trauma? Because you just for some minutes of fun, you know, यही लगता है ना अभी condom के साथ you're not having fun and
I'm too
intercourse.
big for the condom.
हाँ, sex
Absolutely.
and so I always tell everybody, some people, girls feel that they're having OC pills regularly, तो pregnancy तो नहीं होगी ना. People do this, कि contraceptive pills खाएंगे if they're very regular with intercourse, but then it does not prevent you from infections. So using a condom is a mandate that needs to be done.
100%.
And
Mm.
you girl, your generation is so
Mm.
upfront. Why can't you ask for a viral infection profile testing? हम लोग तो कुछ भी बोल देते हो ना,
हाँ.
कुछ भी बात कर लेते हो, ये भी मांग लो किसी से. हालांकि उसमें एक 6 months का विंडो पीरियड होता है. आज कोई नेगेटिव है तो हो सकता है वो पॉजिटिव हो और उसकी रिपोर्ट 6 months बाद पॉजिटिव आए. So that's not a sure shot thing,
Yeah.
but you can get it tested. But using protection is the thing.
For us, like we're married, like condom is part of our foreplay,
हाँ.
like essentially. So it has to be
हाँ,
there. Yeah.
Because then girls come to us कि मैरिज हो गई, अब 2 साल हो गए हैं, प्रेगनेंसी हो गई, पर अभी तो नहीं चाहिए. Then again, because now abortion is just by taking some tablets, so people have started finding it very easy. Tablets ही तो लेनी है. Tablets तो आप एक केमिस्ट पे जाते हो, वही समझा देता है अंडर द टेबल कि ऐसे ऐसे खा लेना. So उनको लगता है क्या है, तो टॉफी की तरह है, आज प्रेगनेंसी होगी, कल वो खा लेंगे. But they don't realize the implication. So even if you're married and you're not planning a pregnancy, take due care. What's the problem?
Exactly. No, people think शादी होने के बाद condom use नहीं करना चाहिए. It's
पता नहीं
wrong.
कौन है ये लोग?
Yeah.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Last time when I posted something on cervical cancer, somebody wrote, कितना बात करोगे इसके बारे में, है ना? But till date, 90% of the females, married, unmarried in their 40s, I asked them, pap smear कराया? They still say, वो क्या होता है?
मैंने
मैंने कहा,
नहीं
अभी तो
कराया.
मुझे कल कोई सोशल मीडिया पे कह रहा था, तो बहुत बात कर रहे हो इसके बारे में. पर 90% गर्ल्स को तो पैप स्मेयर वर्ड ही नहीं पता.
भी नहीं करा है.
But you have
नहीं
your
कराया नहीं, but at
Yeah,
least you
but-
don't say वो ये क्या होता है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
But
They will
HPV
say.
vaccine
So
लिया
and
हुआ
they're
है.
educated
मैंने
girls
लिया.
who have access to social media. They must be doing this Instagram reels in the evening or every day. But then they're still saying कि pap smear क्या होता है, and people are telling us why you are talking about it so much. It's not needed. Everybody knows कि cervical cancer होता है, and everybody knows the cervical cancer
course.
vaccination.
Of
है ना?
course.
But there are people who still don't know
Yeah.
and still haven't got a pap smear done. For girls or
Hmm.
for females, health checkup is कि आपने टाटा एमजी पे बुक किया
हाँ.
and वो हो गए.
Yeah.
मैंने
78
अपना
test
health
in
checkup
one.
करा लिया है.
Yeah. Those
So
overall
that doesn't
ones,
complete the
yeah.
health checkup. So that is why a visit to a gynecologist is important, because a physical checkup, your blood test for a girl does not suffice your health checkup. A visit to the gynecologist, your breast examination. Girls have breast cancer at early ages also. And why these screenings are done? The concept of screening is that majority cancers these days, if detected early, are treatable. So early detection is the key, है ना? जब आप जाओगे, आप चेकअप कराओगे, तभी अर्ली डिटेक्ट होगा ना. जब अर्ली डिटेक्ट ही नहीं होगा तो एड्रेस कैसे होगा? सो दैट इज व्हाई अ विजिट टू द गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ क्लिनिकल चेकअप आल्सो.
And all sizes can have breast cancer.
Yeah,
All
exactly.
sizes.
Oh yeah,
All
I've heard
sizes.
this
All
too.
ages and sizes,
Yeah, I've
yes.
heard this that my breasts are too small. इसमें तो हो ही नहीं सकता breast cancer.
But
No,
हो
that's
सकता
not
है.
how
हो
it
सकता है.
works. No, so what are the tests essentially that मतलब एकदम crucial tests that women should do in their 20s, in their 30s, and in their 40s?
So in younger age group, maybe 20s, 30s. So basic blood work, your hemoglobin, thyroid, your vitamin levels are okay. But as soon as you're sexually active, a pap smear is a must. So pap smear, essentially, if we are doing it along with the human papilloma virus testing, it is known as LBC with HPV DNA. It's valid for 5 years. So you have to get it done just once in 5 years. And a routine ultrasound breast. You must have heard about mammography. Mammography we generally prescribe after 40 years of age. Otherwise, an ultrasound breast is okay, maybe once in a year. But if you have a family history, any female in the distant family also, and males also have breast cancer,
Yeah.
or any other family, extended family history of malignancy, because these are all genetic. So then you should definitely go for an yearly ultrasound breast and an ultrasound whole abdomen.
Interesting. Now that
Things
you
we have not done.
that too is there. Now that you mentioned thyroid, I have been a thyroid ki mareez since bachpan. Okay. And apparently my dad also has it. My dadi also has it. We had to postpone her surgery because she had to first fix her thyroid levels before the surgery could happen. I want to know ये होता क्यों है? It's like you're just like having pills till you're like 90 and then whoosh.
In the midnight, we were just up for an hour bitching about the thyroid
thyroid
gland. Like
gland.
इतना सा तो है, कितना damage करेगा?
We are also almost robotically built. It's genetically engineered. Okay, so that is why many things are natural. People ask me that why do abortions happen? They say we are genetically engineered. That sometimes if the pregnancy is not healthy, there is a
Yeah.
self-rejection. So many things the body rejects, which the body feels is not good for it. आप कोई फोन भी खरीदते हो, आप मैकबुक खरीदते हो, किसी का मैकबुक कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा, किसी का सॉफ्टवेयर में कभी कभी इशू आ जाएगा. So it just happens. So as you said, your grandmother had, your father had, so you genetically have it. It is just that you have a hormonal deficiency. It is a very, very, very small gland. It has a very important role in your overall physical health for
Yeah.
girls in their reproductive health also.
Yeah.
So you have to maintain it at a
Yes.
normal level.
Mm.
People ask me questions that sometimes we give very low dose of thyroid medication for very smaller elevated levels
Yeah.
when people are planning to conceive or during pregnancy. So ये इसके साथ बहुत बड़ा myth है कि ये तो life long खानी पड़ेगी. हाँ. So it's like it is not something that you get addicted to. You know? People do reverse diseases by again lifestyle modification.
Mm.
Okay, so when we are giving those thyroid medications when during pregnancy, because it's very important to maintain the health of the pregnancy, or when people are having little difficulty conceiving, so that's a very low dose medication which we give. Most of the times the tablets are stopped after you deliver the child, and it's not necessarily that you will necessarily be having it anytime later in life. So it's not an addicting medication.
The doctor that I had actually gotten like currently, पहली बात तो that person did not even know there's something like free TSH, free वो पता ही नहीं था, normal TSH, T3, T4 करा लो, free का पता ही नहीं था, and there's anti-TPO also, idea ही नहीं था. And I'm like, अरे, so once I had gone to Dr. Pankaj and he was like, get this stuff done, and then after that I got it done, पता चला क्या scene चल रहा है, and then he had to told me कि you have this medicine, it's okay, जिंदगी पर तुम्हारा चलता रहेगा, doesn't matter, छोटी सी गोली सुबह तो खानी 1 घंटे के लिए.
So, but with lifestyle modification, when people go into healthy lifestyle, the doses definitely reduce. And some people who are starting with very low doses also get off thyroid medication. So these things are modifiable, but depends upon what extent you are. Like people have diabetes reversals also, but depends upon at what stage have you started it. Suppose you're starting with a blood sugar of 700, 800 suddenly, maybe it's tough for you, but borderline levels, borderline HbA1c levels, people manage with diet and lifestyle modification. So to a certain extent, these things are manageable just by lifestyle change.
That's good. That's good. Have you had any thyroid issues, PCOS, PCOD, any sort of thing?
नहीं मेरा consult का time
हाँ,
आ गया.
sorry.
No, so I recently got diagnosed with PCOS, And that's why I was talking about judgmental gynaes, because the first 4 gynaes that I went to looked at me and said आपको तो हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि आप overweight नहीं हो. And then finally I found one sensible gynae who said please get all these tests done. You might have this because I was getting very terrible acne. And
So
then
her dermat basically
Yeah.
said कि you need to get
Yeah,
this
exactly.
figured out, and the gynaes did not.
my gynae did not figure out. My dermatologist told me get these tests because you might have PCOS, and I was doubting her, saying ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, मेरी gynae ने बोला नहीं होगा. आपको क्या पता?
So PCOS has 4 phenotypes actually. There are 4 types of PCO. So for you to understand, we have lean PCO and we have obese PCO, both the kinds. So it's not that only if you're putting on a lot of weight or you have a lot of hair, that's the only PCO criteria. So we have lean PCOs also. So now what basically is a PCO? PCO, polycystic ovaries. So that is the term. So that is just an ovarian look which you're born with. Like somebody is born fair, somebody is born with dark eyes, somebody is born with light eyes. So PCO is a drawing of the ovary which you're born with, which has multiple small eggs. Now 30% of Asian girls have PCO. Okay.
That's a large
But
number.
PCO and PCOS is different. That means you are just maybe on a routine scan, they'll say that your ovaries look polycystic. You don't even know because you have always maintained a very good lifestyle, you exercise regularly, and you have healthy food. They'll not bother you. So it converts into PCOS or D. PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease. That means the polycystic ovaries starts giving you symptoms or the disease when there is a lifestyle change. That means you're not exercising. It's not necessarily that girls who are fat have to exercise. That's the very, very important thing you should understand. You don't have to exercise to lose weight. Exercising modifies the hormones in your body. So whenever you have a lot of junk food, there's no time to sleep, we are playing with our melatonin hormone, or we are not exercising, then the hormonal imbalance sets in because of the PCO, and the PCO becomes PCOS.
Now I know.
So all girls of PCO don't have to worry, but if the lifestyle is not good, they have to worry. And then I tell all the PCOS girls that
Community hashtag.
So people will go to not allopathic treatment and they say कि मेरे को पहले PCO था और अब मुझे PCO नहीं है. So now you have to understand ऐसी कोई चीज exist नहीं करती. So you are born with those ovaries. कि मुझे PCO था, मुझे PCO नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है. वो रहने वाला है. So चाहे किसी को sugar, diabetes है, किसी को hypertension है, you can control it. You cannot
Eradicate it.
So you have a tendency of that, like you are born with a polycystic ovarian morphology, that your ovary look polycystic, you can control it. That means you are now doing a very good lifestyle, exercising well, so you will control the symptomatology. ये भी बहुत concept है ना कि मैंने ना जब exercise किया, diet control किया, तब तो weight कम हो गया. Gym क्यों नहीं करते लोग? Actually gym छोड़ते ही ना weight बढ़ जाता है. मैं कहा वो छोड़ते तो बढ़ेगा ही ना, because you will come back to your unhealthy lifestyle. So gym छोड़ने से weight नहीं बढ़ता है, because you have come back to the bad lifestyle, इसलिए weight बढ़ गया है. लोगों को अपना टैग लगा देते हैं ना मेरे नाम के आगे, मैं PCOS हूँ.
MBBS PCOS.
So मैं PCOS हूँ. तो मैं कहती हूँ कितना simple है ना. And then we encourage doing activities like something which is they can do consistently. Like you love to dance. Like put a nice Hollywood, Bollywood or some nice dance video which you like dancing over. All girls like to party dance. Dance for half an hour, 45 minutes. Have a cheat day. Eat once in a week outside. Otherwise, just have simple home cooked food. You don't need anything. And whosoever has done it, it works for them. They have regular periods, acne sheds off, hair growth becomes less, hair fall becomes less.
But can you have PCOS, PCOD if you don't have any of these symptoms? Like your periods are regular, you might have some hair, but baki you don't have any of the major symptoms.
So you can have PCO.
Ah.
So as I said, majority who have a healthy lifestyle will not even come to know it's there. So just the ultrasound finding of PCO doesn't put you in that worrying category कि हो मुझे नाम के आगे मैं PCO community का
लगा सकती हूँ.
हाँ.
No, actually I can see a change, and plus what my trainer told me was don't fall off the wagon 2 days in a row. एक दिन fall off कर लो कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
But come bounce back.
So there's
Come
a
back to your
guideline. The
lifestyle.
guideline of exercising in PCO is only 5 days in a week.
Okay.
That if you are doing a 30-minute cardio 5 days in a week, it's okay.
Yes.
So there are minutes कि आपने हफ्ते में इतने minutes exercise करनी है. वो आप कैसे भी distribute करके कर लो.
Okay. So इसमें ये नहीं कि मसल ट्रेनिंग वगैरह, it's like you just do cardio चल जाएगा.
Cardio, muscle training, you can do both the things, but उसके एक minutes fix है कि इतना भी कर लोगे तो चलेगा. उसके सबके minutes divided हैं. So basically ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने एक भी दिन छोड़ दिया. So 5 days in a week is okay. You can have your break days, you can have your food cheat days, so that you have a normal life. Suppose a young girl comes to me, school going comes to me, कि आप कभी बाहर नहीं जाओगे, आप कुछ बाहर का नहीं खाओगे, आप किसी पार्टी, that's not realistic.
Yeah.
So we have to give them, and specifically like you belong to a different age group, adolescent girls come to us. तो उनको तो एक realistic target देना पड़ता है ना. इनके ऐसे नहीं लगे कि मुझे सारे दिन घर जा, मान लो if I tell them anything, तो घर जाते ही मम्मी तो पीछे पड़ जाएंगी, तू बाहर का खाती रहती है, तू सारा दिन जोमेटो से ऑर्डर करती है और तू कुछ करती नहीं है. मतलब if you keep on nagging them, they will never respond to it.
Yeah.
So you have to be that, create that friendly environment कि ठीक है ये बैलेंस वे में कर लेंगे तो भी हमारा काम चल जाएगा.
Otherwise it will be like मैं जी क्यों रही हूँ? अगर कुछ भी नहीं खा,
मैं बर्गर खाने के लिए तो जी रही हूँ.
एक चीज खुशी देती
हाँ,
है
मैंने
मुझे.
हफ्ते भर से एक बर्गर नहीं खाया, ऐसी जिंदगी का क्या फायदा है?
It's like Ross and Friends, no? That sandwich was the one thing.
Actually, the irony of life is only that junk food, that crunch, those chips and the pizza gives us so much of gratification, which the saag and roti doesn't give us.
swear.
है ना?
It's addictive, no?
I know, I understand.
अगर टेस्टी खाना हेल्दी होता तो लाइफ ही
problem ही
आसान हो
क्या
जाती.
I know.
Yeah, no, what I've heard is something really interesting, that some food is for your body, but some food is for your soul.
Yes.
So कभी-कभी soul को
हाँ, तो
खुश
उसको
कर दिया करो,
कभी-कभी पे
कोई
ही
बात
लाना है
नहीं.
बस.
हाँ, बस.
Soul dominates your day.
Yeah, I swear.
All day, and it's so accessible also now, ना? Like अगर खाना बनाना 20-30 मिनट लगे, अरे इतने में तो ऑर्डर ही कर लो. So then it just becomes very accessible. तो हम लोगों ने घर पे क्या किया, हम लोगों ने तो बाहर का सारा junk and even sugar, मीठा वगैरह, nothing is there. So one of my friends came over and she was like, अच्छा you're giving tea, ठीक है, चीनी वगैरह नहीं, cookie है cookie. And I'm like, cookie तो नहीं, yes I ordered for her. And then she's like, अच्छा do you have Tupperware to keep the cookie? I'm like, Tupperware भी नहीं है, we don't keep anything to have junk in the house. कि
Yeah.
होगा ही नहीं तो खाओगे ही नहीं.
हाँ, that's the best formula. आप खरीदो ही मत.
Yeah, exactly.
कितने बिजनेस को तुम स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हो ना? स्विगी, जोमेटो, they're flourishing.
Yeah. थोड़े
भैया
टाइम तक
कोई
मेरी
ना
वजह
कोई
से
तो,
चलते थे
और वो ये भी
businesses.
बताएंगे देखो तुम ऑर्डर करो क्योंकि आज इतने लाख लोगों ने भी ऑर्डर किया है,
Oh, yeah.
तुम रह गए, प्लीज.
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
FOMO. You haven't ordered anything today. So एक notification, वो जोमेटो की notification आई, see 20 lakh people have ordered from us today.
Biryani,
So
yeah.
you've left.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Please
Yeah,
order.
Normally.
तुमने आज मोमोज नहीं खाए? What are you doing with your day?
No,
Seriously.
no, my husband, he deleted all the apps after PCOD. So
तुम अपनी cats को खिलाती हो मोमोज?
क्या? नहीं.
उनको हेल्दी फूड खिलाती हो ना? बेचारे कुछ कह
The
नहीं
most
पाते.
expensive, the most
हेल्दी तो
cleanest
है.
diet they have. Yeah. Lean proteins,
हाँ.
Nice.
macros,
जो तुम अपने
micros,
बच्चों के लिए कर रही हो,
everything.
अपने लिए भी करो.
Yeah, wait.
Arushi, what is this behavior?
I know. I told you my only friends are my cats. Yeah, I have to like.
Yeah, यहाँ से out. दोस्ती कट्टी आज से से मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही.
नहीं, मैंने अभी जो पूछा था 3 love list में, उसमें तुम्हारा नाम नहीं था सिद्धिका?
नहीं था.
हाँ? 3 people who you love the most.
My husband, my cats, my parents, my dogs. I guess.
ये this is the
our
last
usual
podcast. Okay. After this we are done.
So this is every podcast. She's like, who's your best friend? I'm like, my cat.
हाँ, my
She's
cats.
like, who else? I'm like, my husband. She's like, what? Who else?
I'm a bad.
मैंने सीरियसली पूछा था, मजाक में नहीं है, इसने तुम्हारा नाम नहीं लिया था सिद्धिका.
I know. मैं देख ही जा रही हूँ इसकी हरकतें. हरकतों से बाहर नहीं.
इसने भी नहीं लिया. Just saying.
I mean, in my defense,
I mean, I'm a serial offender.
where did you tell us about you, man? Circling back, like what's up with you and how, as a person who's like in the field, like what does a gynecologist do for gynec problems?
First of all, you can't do a checkup for yourself, the gynae checkup which is needed. So, of course, I seek help. And then I feel that sometimes you become casual कि ये तो ऐसा ही है ना? Because when I was pregnant, my husband used to tell me, you never go for a checkup. मैंने कहा नहीं सब ठीक है. उस समय there were not so many investigations also which we do in these times. And I remember I came to know about my husband's thalassemia carrier status when I was almost 28 weeks pregnant. अब तो हम पहले ही स्क्रीन कर लेते हैं.
हाँ,
And I was so worried कि अगर मेरा भी निकल आएगा तो what will happen?
हाँ.
कुछ होता ही नहीं था. And I used to go, मतलब उस समय इतनी वो भी नहीं थी. And because I was doing my I had just finished my post graduation gynae, तो मुझे लगता था सब ठीक ही तो है. So नहीं जाते थे उस टाइम पे. But then you realize with time. So now I do my regular health checkups. I do all my screenings.
We live and we learn.
Not doing this
Yeah.
to yourself. And then sometimes when I got my first breast screening done,
हाँ.
I realized that I had my radiology department just next door. And I used to feel that if one day I found that I have breast lumbar cancer, how bad am I going to feel? I just have to walk 5 steps and get a mammo or an ultrasound done.
Yeah.
So I thought, let me not go through that regret and get it done. So after that, I'm regular.
Oh, that's lovely. थोड़ा सा ना, I just find the gynec checkup ऐसे very awkward. वो जो the checkup that you have to do, the dreaded checkup.
Oh,
So
I've
that's
done
what I'm
that.
telling you. So
Yeah.
that is why I want to tell for your generation girls and otherwise also that majority people will not get the pap smear done कि कैसे
It's
करवाएंगे.
violating. It
हाँ,
feels like.
so but it's not that.
But I got it done, and it's not. It's honestly like the
Really?
doctor makes you feel very comfortable, and
Yes.
it's so routine. It's like, हाँ ठीक है, it's like a गाड़ी का
हाँ,
check.
so dreaded.
It's
है ना?
like
So
that,
what we
so-
do is that whenever we motivate, we said we're going to make it very comfortable. So we try to make it as comfortable and less discomforting. So we are not there to whenever we say कि आप दर्द तो नहीं करोगे. मैंने कहा देखो जान के I'm not there to hurt you, है ना?
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
तुम आओगे तो मैं तुम्हें जान के कुछ hurt करने वाली हूँ. So we are trying to make it as comfortable for you as possible, and most of the time it's nothing.
I think
So-
it's more of the anxiety before it happens. That's why.
The anxiety
Like-
before it happens. So one thing, then I also found out. So my dad does radiology. He does ultrasound. So then I found out that there is like a whole ass stick that is also put
Oh, yeah.
inside, looped up with condom to do the check. And I was like, hey, Bhagwan, sir, I've not gotten a test done. Like even when the Bikini vaccine lady comes, and I'm like, nahi, पैरों तक.
Fuk mat maro, don't come this close.
Bikini wax से 5% अगर वो 100% पेनफुल है तो उससे सिर्फ 5% ही पेन होता होगा एक पर स्पेकुलम एग्जामिनेशन या ट्रांसवेजाइनल स्कैन कराने में. सो बट पीपल विल बी कितना ही पेन हो जाएगा, बिकनी वैक्स फिर भी कराते हैं ना, बट गायनी चेकअप के लिए नहीं जाते उस 5% पेन के लिए.
कौन है ये लोग?
I
कहाँ से
know,
आते हैं?
but some people will do the bikini wax for the gynae checkup.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. There's this one thing. Do you feel?
So we should make a package that बिकनी वैक्स के साथ पैप स्मीयर,
Exactly.
है ना, कि जब तुम बिकनी वैक्स
अब
के
करा
दर्द
ही
में
रहे
चिल्ला
हो,
रही होगी उसी
exactly.
टाइम हम स्पेकुलम डाल के तुम्हारा एक पैप स्मीयर ले लेंगे
Yeah.
क्योंकि उस पेन का तुम्हें पता ही नहीं
Yeah.
चलेगा. That's a very good
Flow
idea. We
में जा
should
रहे हो तो
propagate it.
just like go with
It's
it.
like 1+1 coupon offer.
हाँ, so you can we can encourage those girls because pap smear is very simple to take. So we can encourage the parlor girls that जब वो बिकनी वैक्स करते हो तो वहीं से एक पैप स्मेयर भेज दिया करो. So that
Perfect.
I'll
Let's
take
do
this.
this business plan.
I'll take this suggestion.
But what would be better, like in general, for like the health of the vagina, like trimming, shaving, letting it be, waxing?
If you consider naturally, it is for your overall hygiene that pubic hair are there. But sometimes you're not able to maintain the hygiene with the pubic hair for various reasons. So even if you want to keep it clean, then as per the dermatologist, shaving is a big no. Because shaving is very harsh for that skin, and people who come to us with recurrent vaginal itching and infections are mostly the girls who are doing regular use of razor. Because that really, you must be feeling that when you use razor, the skin is sensitive for a few days, and when the hair come again, it becomes again very itchy because it takes away the superficial layer of the skin. So you can go for lasers. Lasers are good so that you don't have to do this thing again and again, and you can even trim. Trimming because most of the female vaginal trimmers which come, they are designed in a way that they take care of the skin and they're not being very harsh on the skin. If some removing creams work for you, if you're not allergic to them, they're okay. But I think getting a laser is also reasonably good. It gives you a very good hygiene and you don't have to, the visits also reduce with time.
So we are in our 30s. 35 के नहीं हुए, the magic golden year which you should not be having kids after apparently. And we both have health issues. We are not 100%. हम तो काफी मरीज है खुद भी. So how do we treat our fertility? What precautions do we take? What should we look out for?
So I had recently in my last video talked about when should you get pregnant. Okay. So if we talk emotionally, you should get pregnant when you want to. Okay. But then all of us, because there's so much of information, we talk about the biological clock. You're talking about the age 35. हमें क्या करना चाहिए? कुछ लेट तो नहीं हो जाएगा? So, of course, fertility is different for all the girls at different ages. So we get girls who are just 30, they come, but the fertility is very low and they're surprised. Somebody who's just married for 6 months, they're having issues. Or somebody will have a very good fertility even after 35. So, of course, it is a personal decision. Most of the girls, as I say, they're career oriented, and it's not that you're getting married and the next thing is that you're having a baby. You want to spend time, quality time with your partner and just settle around in life. So there is a blood test known as AMH, the anti-Mullerian hormone. So you can get that done. You'll have a basic idea of, yes, we're not sitting on a time bomb that ye to abhi low hai, to we can't wait. Or it is okay and we can wait for some time. Or the best thing is that you are very sure. We get girls who are unmarried also at 32, 33 and they're not planning to get married, or they're so much into career right now that abhi to soch hi nahi sakte. So then for them comes the option of the freezing. So we only talk about egg freezing all the time. So you have to understand there is an egg, and when we fertilize it, it becomes the embryo. So for girls who don't have a partner, it is egg freezing for them. And for married girls, it is the embryo freezing. Embryo freezing does better because embryos are more resistant to the freezing and the thawing process. So for unmarried girls, if you're not planning marriage for some time, because we get requests at 40 for egg freezing. Now you have to understand it's not a magic. कि आप कभी भी आओगे, आपके 2 eggs निकाल के हम freeze कर देंगे. So that is not preserving your fertility. Number of eggs which we need for us to tell you कि your fertility is preserved is different at different ages. For a 28, 29, probably 15, 20 is also okay. So fertility preservation, the timing is important. Decide at the right time. So now if you're thinking about fertility, if you are planning to delay the pregnancy or not very sure, get the AMH done so that you know that yes, I still have time, or get it frozen.
मेरा तो AMH बहुत ज्यादा हाई है ना because of
PCOS.
PCOS.
So you are,
मेरे बहुत अंडे,
but
but सारे अंडे सड़े हुए हैं.
नहीं, sorry, it's not that. But the other thing is there is number and there is quality. So for some girl who will have a very low AMH at 32 and a low AMH at 36, they're going to behave differently because there is a genetic aging of oocytes. So here, the importance of age also comes into picture. If you are thinking of delaying it, see somebody. See a fertility specialist who can give you an insight into कि yes, अभी time है, हम इतना delay कर सकते हैं. So सिर्फ social media की information के basis पे अपनी मर्जी से decision मत लो.
मैंने एक social media की information में देखा था, someone said that if you get pregnant later, so you in a way are going to be younger longer because you're delaying menopause, because your system gets a reboot when you actually have a child. At that time, some internet person.
So
basically.
So menopause again is genetically engineered when you're born. So everybody will have a menopause at different age. An average age of menopause in our country is 46 and a half, sorry. But then it can be variable. We get girls at 28 also who had menopause. And we get girls at 54, 55 also. I call them all girls.
But that's normal.
Because I after 10 years want to be called as a girl. So when you are entering that age, लगता है कि अब सब हमें girl ही बोले. So girls at 53, 54 also who are still menstruating. So it is all genetically engineered. So don't fall into this trap. There is a right time to do everything in life. Okay? So when I was your age, तब मुझे नहीं लगता था बच्चा करना इतना जरूरी है या क्या है, हो जाएगा नहीं हो जाएगा. But when I went into fertility, the first thing I ensured that everybody in my family has a child. कि तुम सबसे पहले ये काम को finish करो, क्योंकि क्या है कि ये जो infertility के चक्कर है, when you start seeing an infertility doctor, it's a very painful process. मैंने कहा I don't want any of you to नहीं करना, you decide कि नहीं करना, okay. But बाद में रोना और पछताना, the one thing is you can't do is go back in time. Like तुम्हारे career का एक time है ना कि इसी time पे कर सकते हैं. अपने जॉब में इस टाइम पे कर सकते हैं. So इसका भी एक टाइम है.
I need to call my husband right now. No, but my only solace is that my nanny had my mother when she was in her 50s. So, thoda sa.
So again, that is not common.
I know.
So we have the tendency of somehow seeing what we want to see. Those uncommon rare
Confirmation
examples.
bias,
सोचो उनके
yeah.
साथ हुआ था तो हमारे साथ भी हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. So we have to think what commonly happens. So हमारे जो statistics maths में पढ़े ना हमने statistics, तो हमें normal statistics के हिसाब से देखना है कि statistically ज्यादा क्या होता है. Rare चीज हमारे साथ ही क्यों होगी, है ना?
Because my nanny, she hit her menopause when she was 31. Alright, my mom hit at the same marking age of India, but she hit it then. And what happened was that when she went to the gynac, and this is again like मैं exist भी नहीं करती थी, ठीक है, अब भी बच्चे हो गए नहीं हो गए पता नहीं, but she went over there and the gynac said कि अरे तुम्हारे 2 बच्चे दोगे क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है. And again, the menstrual health is important.
Okay. So now also, when we get somehow some people visit us who had an early menopause, or sometimes people land up into surgical menopause at younger age. So उनको लगता है अब तो बच्चे हो गए, menopause हो गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. So again, as we have not even realized that menopause at early age and how it creates morbidity in girls. So we don't address it. That actually they need hormone replacement therapy, because once you get menopause, suddenly your bones started becoming very weak. And you must have heard जो heart attacks होते हैं, है ना? Young age में होते हैं, girls को नहीं होते. Because we are genetically protected against having cardiac diseases. But जैसे ही menopause होता है, because हमारा जो estrogen जब गायब हो जाता है body में से, we become prone to heart diseases. So when girls come to us for fertility, when they have early menopause, it is not just if we give them a child. Then we put them on HRT. That at जो आपकी normal age of menopause है, 46.5, तब तक आपको वो लेना है. वो scientifically prescribed is so that it protects you from other morbidities or problems which you are going to have because of menopause.
And I think females don't even have that shooting left hand में pain when they're having a heart attack. कुछ और indicators
वो
होते हैं.
it can be
Sorry.
different, but that can be different. But
different
yes,
episode.
menopausal health,
हाँ.
menopause के time girls को क्या problems होती हैं, hot flashes कितने problematic हो सकते हैं. Besides that, being a gynecologist, let me tell you, even now, female health is not very addressed. Not just because of the family, हम खुद ही address नहीं करते. लोग हमारे पास 4-5 ग्राम हीमोग्लोबिन से आते हैं कि साल भर से bleeding हो रही है, अभी कुछ करना है नहीं, अभी तो 1 महीने बाद तो मेरे बच्चे का एग्जाम है, फिर 2 महीने बाद तो घर में ये है, फिर अगर अभी मैं सर्जरी करा लूंगी तो 1 हफ्ते के लिए घर में खाना कौन बनाएगा. सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल देम, आप 20 साल से अपने घर की सेवा कर रहे हो ना, 10 दिन मौका तो दो, क्या वो रिवर्स में आपकी सेवा कर पा रहे हैं. जस्ट टेस्ट योर चिल्ड्रन एंड हस्बैंड फॉर 10 days whether they can reverse help you when you are unwell. And I give this example of that beggar which I was telling you, है ना, कि हम जाके एक भिखारी से कुछ ले सकते हैं क्या, क्योंकि उसके पास है ही नहीं. तो अगर आपके पास हेल्थ नहीं है, हाउ कैन यू वर्क फॉर द हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन एंड योर हस्बैंड. अगर आप 5 ग्राम हीमोग्लोबिन है, आपको महीने में 3 दिन इतनी ब्लीडिंग होती है, या इधर यू आर सिटिंग इन द टॉयलेट और यू आर लाइंग डाउन इन बेड, वो 3 दिन. अब भगवान ने हर एक को एक लिमिटेड ईयर्स दे के भेजा है. कोई 50 साल जिएगा, कोई 55, वो डिसाइडेड है. तो एक एक दिन प्रेशियस है. सो अब क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ सब कुछ है. अगर आप एक दिन बेड में लेट के बिता रहे हो जो आप हेल्दी बिता सकते हो, सो यू आर चूजिंग टू लेट गो दैट one day of your life. Most of these females जब वो सर्जरी कराती हैं, उनको लगता है क्या कर रहे थे हम अपनी लाइफ के साथ. मतलब वी वर अनवेल, वी वर ब्लीडिंग, और जिसका 5 ग्राम हीमोग्लोबिन होता है और जब सर्जरी के बाद 12 ग्राम हो जाता है, यू फील सो हेल्दी एंड गुड. बट देन अभी भी ऐसे फैमिलीज भी हैं जहाँ फीमेल हेल्थ को इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाती, और हम खुद भी नहीं देते कि पहले घर का खाना और बच्चे का एग्जाम और पति की मीटिंग वो ज्यादा जरूरी होती है, और हमारी हेल्थ बाद में आती है.
अभी तो मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी has just taken women seriously.
हाँ. I know.
फैमिली तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So we have this one thing we did. Abhi, this whole week we sat and we googled embarrassing questions to ask the
Okay.
gynae. So
So we are going to do a rapid fire quiz with you.
So
Shoot.
I was waiting for.
Roulette में करेंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ.
Is masturbation unhealthy for you?
No, if done hygienically, because now the use of muses is very common. So just do it hygienically. That's very important.
Are you listening?
Yeah.
Just saying.
Well, hygiene has a different
Yeah.
definition for everyone. So do it hygienically.
Yeah. Sabun.
The WHO standard of hygiene, not your standard.
Sabun pani, please,
Yeah.
guys.
Can you get pregnant from pre-cum?
Yes. The initial drops of semen which come, they have very high concentration of sperms.
Okay, is it normal to be a little itchy down there?
Okay, again, if it is on and off, it is just probably the skin is little irritant. If you're shaving, what a kind of hair remover you're using, then it can be there. But if the itching is persistent, you have some vaginal discharge and it is not settling down, you should definitely see a doctor. It might be a vaginal infection.
Is it okay to have sex during your period?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's just the hygiene issue, or otherwise there is no problem.
तौलिया लगा लो हो गया. Just
Talking about Taulia, is hymen actually an indicator for virginity?
No, not at all. Virginity, the definition of virginity is only whether you've ever had sex or not. Because many times girls break their hymen, people do during exercising, you're doing hip opening exercises, or girls who do horse riding and many other activities. So virginity is only whether you've had sex or not related to hymen.
Can you actually tighten your vagina?
Girls do come to us because girls who feel that having a hymen will be the only sign of virginity when she gets married. People do get it sewed up again. And girls after normal delivery do come to us for a tightening, and yes, it can be done.
Is it something that can be done with vaginal tightening creams and all those?
No. It has to be anatomically redone.
Mhm.
Now you understand it's like any other cosmetic surgery. Okay.
Hmm.
If you talk about any cosmetic surgery, somebody needs a sharper nose, somebody needs hygiene. It's not an indicated surgery. Okay. It's what you feel about yourself. Any plastic surgery is an unindicated surgery. It's about what makes you happy.
Mhm.
Somebody wants a sharper nose, they want a sharper nose. It's their happiness. So somebody needs a bigger size breast or whatever shape they want. They need a flat tummy, whatever they want. It's their happiness. So we consider it's a plastic surgery of the vagina. It's what they feel about their body.
I have heard now people are getting Botox in the lips of the vagina to make it puffy and youthful.
Yes, they do it. Again, it's what you feel. It's like
Unrealistic.
getting
beauty
fillers in the cheek to get
standards
high
everywhere.
cheeks and
Yeah.
getting these buccal fats removed to get these jaw lines. It's the same.
आज मुझे पता चला कि वजाइना और ओवरी में भी ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं.
क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yes. So we can say that.
Yeah.
So when we do this fertility scan, the transvaginal scan to see what is your fertility, we do feel beautiful ovary. This is fertile ovary, not that beautiful.
ये अंडा कितना
I can
round
relate to
था?
that.
Yeah,
I can-
my first gynae actually said, "Oh, upright uterus, very good, very beautiful." I'm like, "Okay, thank you, thanks." I didn't know.
I can relate to that.
Yeah.
There is a beauty to the ovary, yes.
Nice. All right. Is queefing or vaginal farting normal?
Yes. Everybody has their own anatomical shape and what
Hmm.
position you're having intercourse. It is okay.
Can you get pregnant if you have sex during your period?
I think it's the safest time.
Okay,
Oh, nice.
but there is a chance.
No.
No.
Because it depends upon what day of periods you're doing it. The more you're doing it towards when you're reaching the fertile period. But if you're just talking about the day 2, day 3 of the periods, no, there's
Guys.
no chance.
Yeah.
You know what to do now. Alright. What are doctors thinking when they're doing a checkup down there?
So as I mentioned, to make it as comfortable for you as possible. Because most of the times, 80 or 90% will have some thing, painful to nahi hoga, is it okay? So the only thing on my mind is that the patient tells me later, no, it was very comfortable or I had pain. So I feel that how I can make it as comfortable as possible.
Guys,
the only
ये नहीं
thing.
देखते कि trim किया है कि नहीं.
Yeah,
Please.
exactly.
Not at all. So girls will say, oh, checkup hoga, but मैंने clean नहीं किया. It doesn't matter. We are anyway gynecologists above all these things. We've had everything on us when we deliver. So it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
I always trim before going to the gynae. Now I know I shouldn't. I don't need to.
You trim for yourself.
Yeah.
You trim when you feel you have to do it, not because you have to go to the gynecologist. Because I don't think it really matters to them.
It just aligned. Can you feel someone's pulse and tell if they're pregnant, like in Bollywood?
No.
Thank you.
All moves are fake.
Yeah. या वो उल्टी करती हुई हो रही है and then you know they
मतलब
faint
punch
and then
कर
you're
रहे हैं,
like
ओ इसके तो
भाई
3
को आप
बच्चे हैं.
माँ बनने वाले हैं तो yeah
No, there is very interesting reel which I saw with the जब बहू उल्टी कर रही थी तो एक जनरल क्वेश्चन था ना कि भी मदर इन लॉ ने आके पूछा बेटा प्रेग्नेंट है तो उसने आके पूछा बेटा आई विल मेक सम डिटॉक्स वाटर फॉर यू कल ज्यादा हो गई थी.
oh oh nice
मैंने कहा
that would be my mom
Okay.
for sure
so it is changing. So
Yeah.
कुछ हैंगओवर ड्रिंक बना के लाती हूँ.
Oh, nice.
चलो दिस इज द न्यू एज मदर इन लॉ.
That's
उल्टी
it.
का मतलब ये
हाँ.
नहीं है कि वो
मेरी मम्मी लॉ ने मुझे पार्टी स्मार्ट पकड़ा रखा है
Okay, modern
देख लो.
problem, modern solutions.
देख लो. So उल्टी में असेस करना पड़ेगा कि कल गोलगप्पे खाए थे पार्टी ज्यादा हुई थी या क्या हुआ था. So there can be many differentials to it now.
Nice. गोलगप्पे तो खाने चाहिए. गोलगप्पे करते हुए.
गोलगप्पे खाने चाहिए
Yes.
I
I
feel so
enjoyed
Educated.
educated and rich मतलब बहुत सारा I had so many myths I had so
हाँ.
many misconceptions and I'm sure a lot of people did out there as well
Yeah.
which have
I
been cleared
I hope
today
so.
yeah.
I mean, we would love to
हाँ.
have you back. So,
Yeah. Would you like to come back?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I
yes.
love I love
Yes.
it.
So, if you have any questions, please comment down below. We'll get Dr. Nymphia to answer it, and you can follow her on her Instagram handle. We'll put her links everywhere.
Somewhere here, yeah. All over.
We will see you guys next week. Until then, follow
Golgappa.
Golgappa.